Alright guys, this is how you replace the front passenger side glass on a Ford F-150. We're going to start by getting a little plastic handle tool. Usually the bolts are going to be right where you grab the door or by the door handle where you open it. So I already have this open, so you have to just pry it open very carefully with your tool. That comes out. Put it to the side, and then usually here, which I also already took off, you got your 8mm bolts right here, and you also have a 7mm bolt right under here and down here. Take those off, and we'll go to the next step. We're gonna remove this plastic cover here, pry it open very carefully. A 7mm bolt here. All right, now you're gonna remove the door panel by using a pry tool. We're gonna go under here, go all the way around. And if you can see right here, if you want to zoom in, you can see the clips. You want to get through them and pry them open all the way around. You want to lift straight up, and it comes out. And then you need to disconnect here the handle. All right, to take the door handle off here, this little metal piece right here, actually it's plastic. You want to pull it down and it pops open. Take it off like that. All right, so you're gonna need this and the keys. Because this glass is laminated, we're not gonna have to clean up any broken glass under there, so we're just removing the glass and putting the new one in. So you want to pull the window down a little bit, enough where you can grab it. You want to take off the speaker, so you need to remove the 7mm bolts. Disconnect the speaker by pushing this down here. Don't turn on to cut the plastic. All right, now you have access to the inside here. You want to be able to pull the window up where you can see the clips on the glass here. We're going to push that in. Same thing for the one here, and the glass will come out. All right, so now to remove the glass, you want to tilt the back side up, twist it inside the door, and take it straight out. There you go. All right, to have more room, you actually need to remove this rubber piece. Just go straight up. Put it to the side. All right, now we put the glass in the same way it came out. Be careful you don't scratch the glass or the door. Lighten it up with the door. And start turning it inside the door. So it's straight, and it's just push it down. Test it out. Like new again. Now you just need to put everything back together. Sometimes these have little clips, so make sure that one goes in first. So to plug this back in, same way it came out, make sure you put it on here first, and it just clips down. Alright, so you line it up, tilt it towards the glass. Make sure all your little clips here line up with the holes before you put everything in. And then just simply push in. That's how you replace a passenger side door glass on a 2018 Ford F-150.